Two carrots kissing on Christmas morning. Little ones waking, tired and yawning. Presents from Santa under the tree. Oh, the excitement! What could they be? Moments together with those you hold dear. Merry Christmas to all, and a Happy New Year.